Across the sky raged a terrifying storm. Thunder roared, rain poured down, and the entire forest trembled. Trees swayed in the fierce wind, branches breaking and falling all around. Yet, in one corner, a mother bird sat silently, spreading her wings to shield her tiny chicks. The rain soaked her feathers, the cold made her shiver, but she did not move. The chicks, curled up against her chest, felt safe, as if the whole world was secure there. Forgetting her own suffering, the mother prayed only that no harm would come to her children. A mother's sacrifice is the truest strength of love.